I had to wait and let that cool down a little bit. Oh, mercy sakes. I don't like waiting though. Finger. I like the looks of it. It's right in here. It's like the right shifter for this car. I always did like my other piston shifter, but I had it all big long handle on it. It's the same, actually, it's the same piston. That's 48 Ford Flathead Piston. Bicknell Maynard pulled that out of a CEO truck down in Georgia. COE, cab over. And brought it to me, and did out the end, took it apart. It was a busted block. He took it apart and brought me two of these pistons. One's in the Rambler and one's in here. So that's the story of that. And in a way, that's what makes it special, because two people that I cared about had a contributing whatever contributed toward me getting that. So it makes it most special when your friends are involved. I get a big old glove, maybe we can drive it. I can drive it even with it hot. A big old glove on my hand. Do something like that.